What is up, guys? Back with another video, and in today's video I will be playing Don't Press the Button. This game is really fun and you guys should check it out. No! I'm cooked. I died. Me pressed the button. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I love this. Oh shoot. This way? Which way now? This way? This is pretty easy. I could survive. Light work, no reaction. How'd someone die already? No way I actually win this. Oh, I won. You have to get the zombies. Hold up, let me just let me ore farm real quick. Oh, I'm getting dead. That's not a zombie. That's a skeleton. Oh wait, that's a zombie. KO. KO. 200. 200. 200. 200. I'm too good at this. 200. Oh, 50. I mean 100. I'm so good at math, guys. 200. Let's see. 200. What's this? I'ma drink it. Me press the button. I already drank mine. I can't do nothing with it. Oh! Okay. I pressed it. Oh no. Oh wait. Got him. Did I win? No! Yeah, I won though. I pressed it again. Remember what it is. Alright, so the coin is right there. Alright. I'm gonna track it down with my mouse. Okay. Okay, this is easy. It's the one on the right. Oh, I'm so good. Mine? I'll catch that for you. Okay. Button pressed. Oh, finish the obby. Bet I'm so good at obbies. Oh, let's go! I'm so good. for the second time. Dude, I'm actually too good. Let's go. Someone pressed the button. Stay away from red platforms. Alright. Okay, easy. Okay. Oh. Almost got cooked. And again. Aw, dang it. I couldn't get there fast enough. Put that up. I'm just kidding. Alright. Well, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.